Another rectangular prism. This is basically the same as the last video. I just want you to have plenty of examples to look at as you work through these questions. So let's take a look at this. We're going to find the surface area and volume. You'll notice this question just says find the volume, but I'm going to do both on each video. That way we know how to do both. So here goes. The total area is the surface area, is all the outside shape added together, remember each shape occurs twice. So let's start with the front. So here on the front we have a rectangle that is 29 across the bottom and 14 high. So 2 times 29 times 14 plus, we have on the side of the thing, we have a rectangle that's 9 by 14, and that occurs over there also. So there are two rectangles that are 9 by 14 plus, I'm running out of room. We have the bottom. So the bottom is right here. There's a rectangle there, and that rectangle occurs again at the top up there. And there are two of those, and they are 29 by 9. So we multiply all these numbers out and add them together. This ends up being 812 plus 216 plus 522, and my answer then, added all together, is 1,550. This is area, and so we measure area in squares. In this case, it's a yard squared, or again, you can say square yards. The volume is the area of the base times the height, and the area of the base right here is 29 times 9 times the height, which is 14, and 29 times 9 times 14 is 3,654. Volume is measured in cubes, little tiny boxes. Each box here would be 1 yard wide, 1 yard deep, and 1 yard tall. So this is yards cubed, or often you hear cubic yards. Concrete, for example, when you order concrete, is measured in cubic yards.